Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening up these PlayDohs, well just this one, but I'm also going to be using this cookie cutter to cut out some cookies, and this extruder, and this white Play-Doh, and I'm also going to be using this one for some other stuff, but this one is the new one. So let's just get started. Okay, I got it. Sorry. And I'm just going to, the cookie color fell. I'm so excited. I love Play-Doh. Okay, so here's my Play-Doh. And now I'm going to get that cookie cutter that I just dropped. Okay, I got the cookie cutter. And I got the Play-Doh and the other Play-Doh and the other Play-Doh and the extruder. So I'm just going to get ready. Okay, so I'm going to make a purple cookie with some of this purple Play-Doh. Oh, feels so good. Now I'm going to show you guys, because I'm going to flatten it. Ah! Why does it keep falling? I'm going to flatten it. See when it's all flattened? Okay, so now that it's all flattened, I'm just going to cookie cutterify it out. And ta-da! There it is. And pop out. Yay, it's so pretty. It's a little butterfly. Alright. Okay. And then there's this, which is kind of pretty. It's like a little butterfly shape. I bet I could fill that in with something, and it would look cute. But, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to frost it with some of this. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, you guys, look at this. It's like a tube from in this. It's so soft. If only you could feel it. Here, touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Okay, you probably already touched it. Okay, and smells kind of nice. Let me squish it. Oh, so squishy. Okay. Probably because it's a Play-Doh. Okay, now I'm going to frost this cookie. Here I go. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Alright. Okay, just gotta get it all in there. And perfect. Now I'm just going to press this down. And I'm going to put it on my cookie. So I'm going to put the cookie up there so you can see. Okay. Let's do this. Yay. Okay. Okay. There's that stripe. See when it's fully decorated. Okay, guys, it's all decorated as stars on it. Super cute. Don't you like it? It's a little butterfly flying around and flying around. Oh, look, there's a little flower over there in the background. I'm going to go and land. Oh, I love that flower. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to check out Kylo N's channel. I want to give it, and I want you to shout out to that guy. See you guys later. Bye.